जय जगन्नाथ। आज हानोई रे बहुत वर्षा होगी। टुडे raining, too much raining. I just feel that same like our India. When we have raining, we like some tea and some pakoda, some snacks, Indian snacks. So enjoy the weather. Today we have too much raining in Hanoi. Now I'm in Tarka 1. It's near 10th Street, Hanoi World Quarter. I will show you the how is groups have today. We have one big group. They love to have the tea and pakoda with the rain season. Suddenly we got this booking. We'll see how and where they sitting, what they eating. You guys can see near here Tarka here, and here is lot of parking space. Big bus can stand here in the main road, and right side have the train street, money exchange. This is the raining now today, heavy raining. We'll go inside and have a look.
वीडियो उतारे फर्स्ट क्लास तड़का नंबर 1